Okay, you guys, welcome back to my channel. Here we got the vegetable chow mein from Winkle. It's very easy to cook, you guys. About 3 minutes. Come in little packages just like that. Just put it in the bowl. Put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. Okay, you guys, so after 3 minutes, look at this. Really good, guys. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of sriracha. Look at that, you guys. This is actually pretty good. 10 out of 10. I would give this a 9. It's actually pretty good for being in the microwave, coming in the package.